everybody, I'm Dustin. Merry Christmas. Well, at least I hope it's, I think I'm gonna post this on Christmas Day, give or take a day. Anyway, Merry Christmas from the Foothills Adventures family to yours. Even though it's the holidays, we don't get to slack off. We burn wood for heat, and it's cold. Jackson's bundled up, Jennifer's behind the camera bundled up, and yeah, we got to cut some wood. So I'm gonna go over the tools of the trade for the day. All right, we got this nice Husqvarna box, but inside, because I didn't want to buy a new case, is the Stihl MS251 and the wood box. We're going to use that, and I got a camera up here so I can try to see this thing cutting through. As far as the sharpener goes, I got this fancy 2-in-1 that I did not buy from Stihl, and I did not buy from my local supply places because they wanted like $65, and I'm not doing that. I didn't borrow chain oil and gas and oil, but the majority of today, you guys are going to see the four-wheeler dragging logs. I hope. We'll see if we can find a chain somewhere. Now I will say, let me say this: I will not be cutting. I will not be doing the actual chainsawing because, you know, shoulder issues. So Dad's out here in the woods, so whenever we get to a spot that requires a lot of cutting, he's going to do all the cutting. Yep, way overfilled, just how I like it. Yep, just drag it all right across all the paint. Yep.
Take your time.
I got all day here. So the MS251 here, I had a Husqvarna. I had, Husqvarna 440, I believe, and I blew 2 pistons. Blew through 2 of them. I rebuilt the first one, and the second one I chucked it against the tree because I was mad. Oh, that is some cold barn chain oil. Hopefully it pours out. Yeah, so I was cold. So I asked Dad what he recommended, and I told him I wanted to go with the Echo CS590, but the power head on that thing is very heavy, and when my shoulder does get fixed, I didn't honestly want to endanger it anymore. So he said he's got an MS250, and he's had it for, I don't know, almost 10 years now, and he's never had an issue out of it, and the thing runs great. And he said, son, just go buy a Stihl. So that's what I did. We are working. Why are you giving the dogs a ride?
Because I can. You want me to have those back there?
Yeah, back it in right here. Under, and then hook it back to itself. Yep, what we're gonna do though is we're gonna go ahead and take up here. It does. We're gonna take up as much slack as we can. That way it tightens up on itself. All right. All right, Jennifer, pull it down the trail. You're gonna shift into low. Hey, just take up slack. Take up. Pull. And there we go. Huh, that works kind of well. Jack, you just gonna carry a 16-foot long tree? Yeah. Okay. God. Yeah, you get the cut. You gonna carry that all the way up here? Yeah. Yep. There's a lot of stuff that's dead. Oh, yep. Come on through. Put it in the pile. You know, it'd be nice to be young and strong again, wouldn't it? Keep going. Go. Try again. There you go. Yank it a little bit. Watch out for the dogs. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. And you guys say I'm not hard on equipment. I'm not. Jennifer is. Jenny Pooh. We're going to roll these over out of the way. Good job, lady. You're a pretty good driver there. Ouch! It's Christmas. I can't say bad words. Let's try lifting it up over that one. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. We're going to let Dad cut some trees down. We'll see how far back in here we can get and how quickly. What we do cut down will be used as firewood, even though I don't like cutting live trees, but we have to maintain the trail that's here. And Jennifer will drag out everything we cut so we don't waste it. Let's get to it. Grab it, don't grab it. It's all right, Jen, now give her a try. There you go. There you go. Then pull forward and unhook it. Now listen, hey, listen before you keep messing with the cable. The cables have really sharp, if they get frayed, they will poke the ever-loving piss out of your hand and it will hurt, okay? So don't ever slide the cable in your hand. Just grab it, okay? And I'll help you roll this over. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with just watching every bit of these. So I'm gonna put on a time lapse, and I guess mostly what you see is probably Jennifer on the four-wheeler dragging this stuff out. Dad's done a bunch of cutting. We only have to go, maybe there's this giant tree in the way, and it's nice and pretty and healthy, and I don't want him to cut it down. So in order to get the truck back here, there's like 5 of these little bitty things that I'm gonna have him cut, and then we're pretty much there to the trail. Chain's dull. We have to sharpen this because Dad's been cutting real close to the ground so we don't get stumps, and there's a lot of rotten wood and dirt, and anyway, it's dull, or dull enough. But this is pretty genius. It's not that hard to figure out. It shows you which way to go. It shows you kind of where you need to put it. I mean, yeah. So we're gonna find our first link, excuse me, which is right here. There's a green one. Y'all can't see that because you're way over there, but there's a green link right here. Here, Jen, bring them in like right here and up close so they can see this. All right, so we're going to sharpen this. It has directions on which way to sharpen. There's little arrows that show you which way you need to go. There's file guides. This here, the flat bar, sharpens this up, or not sharpen, but lowers this so it gives your teeth enough bite. And the round file files the teeth. So we need to go this direction, which is this direction on here. And you, wait, not that way. Flip it over, dummy. This way. See, it lines up perfectly. We're gonna give everything, I don't know, 2 or 3. Here, you get my scrunch out of the way. Just enough to get her back sharp. All right, well, Dad got the last few cut here. Turn it off. Actually, go ahead and, sorry. Go ahead and pull that as far forward as you want to go. Oh, Melinda made us cookies. They're very good. Drive. Keep going. Run over it. You're Jesus. That's good. So Jack's driving the truck in. We got a bunch of stuff right here that we're gonna get Dad to cut. We are running out of time. We have to be about an hour away in like 2 hours, and I'm not leaving today without at least a full load in the bed of the truck, because that was the whole goal. What are you doing? Climb it. No, I don't think it's... Come on, America's Funniest Home Videos. Oh God. See, I told you. Anyway, we got a whole bunch of wood in here. Once Jackson gets in here with the truck, I'll get Dad, and we are going to cut it into 18-inch pieces, 1 by 1, and leave with a truckload, I hope. Everybody, good day's work on, well, I guess when you're watching it's Christmas, so don't forget choring still got to be done.
For me, he doesn't have it.
Well, anyway, both the kids helped out a lot. They both work hard. The MS251, Dad says it runs great, just like his MS250. So don't feel bad about buying one of these. It cut up It cut up a bed full of wood in less than 15 minutes or something like that. Like, just, it's pretty full anyway. It worked out well. We did cut a trail. It's still a little narrow. It's got to be a lot bigger. What are you doing? Oh, the four-wheeler. Like I said, people complain, well, you ain't got enough hours on it. You know, you don't get out and ride. No, because we put it to work. And this is what it does for us every winter. It drags out logs, it pulls down stumps, it does way more than what it's designed to do. And like I said, that we kind of abuse it. So there you go. There's way more wood out here. We haven't even put a drop in the bucket. I mean, we got a full truckload here, and that was just like, I want to say 10-foot space. So plenty more to come. So if you guys want to see more wood cutting or more of the MS251 or more of the four-wheeler, just let us know down there in the comments. Once again, from the Foothills Adventures team, Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.